Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to my channel. Guys, as you know, we all are English learners and telling a story plays a vital role when we learn English. So in this video, I am going to tell a story so that we can learn some new words, structures and a lesson too. So without any further ado, let's start the story. So once upon a time, there was a young boy in a town. Once he visited to his grandpa in his summer holidays. He always kept playing with his grandpa, and this way he was enjoying his holidays. But one day he asked to his grandpa that, "Grandpa, please tell me the way to be successful, because I want to be successful when I grow up." Hearing his question, Grandpa smiled and nodded in yes. And then Grandpa took the boy and went to a nursery nearby. From the nursery, Grandpa purchased two small plants. One plant he planted in a pot and kept it inside the home. Another one he planted outside in a ground and asked his grandson that, "Grandson, tell me which one will grow better in future." The boy kept thinking for some time and replied, "The plant we have planted inside in a pot will grow better in future, because this plant will be safe from all the dangers like strong wind, strong sunlight, storms and animals. So I think the plant we have planted inside will grow better." Hearing the reply, Grandpa smiled and said, "Let's see what happens in the future." After some days, the boy left the village and went to his town for further studies. Almost 4 years passed. The boy once again visited to his grandpa. When he saw his grandpa, he said that, "Grandpa, last time when I visited here, so I asked a question, but you didn't answer me. But this time you will have to answer my question. I asked you the ways to be successful." Hearing this, Grandpa smiled and said, "Yes, I will definitely answer your question. But let's come and check the plants we had planted last time." Saying this, the grandpa took the boy and went inside the home to check the plant they had planted inside the home. That plant had turned into a small tree. After that, they went outside to see the plant they had planted in the ground. This plant had turned into a massive tree with widespread branches giving shade and shelter around. Seeing this, the boy got astonished and he asked his grandpa, "Tell me, grandpa, how could it be happen? This plant must have faced many dangers like a storm, strong sunlight, and heavy rain, and fear of animals. But still, it has grown better than the plant we had planted inside the home. How it could be happen?" Grandpa smiled and said, "Yes, this is the answer of your question. That if you want to be successful, you will have to face lots of setbacks, lots of obstacles on the way, and you don't have to fear of them. You don't have to intimidate from them, because facing obstacles, facing hurdles and setbacks has its own benefit too. The person who faces obstacles and hurdles in life becomes more strong. So if you want to be successful, be ready for facing struggles and obstacles." Hearing the answer, the boy said that, "Grandpa, the way you taught me the lesson of being bold, how to become successful, is great. I got to learn that we should be ready for facing many obstacles if we want to do something in our life. So, this was the story. From this story, we get the lesson that we should not be fear of facing obstacles. Just like we are learning English, no matter how many obstacles come on the way, but we should keep going to achieve our goal. So, this was the story. Hopefully, you will like it. And if you like this story, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for such more stories. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.